Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on listening. The question is, am I a people-oriented listener? Kit, I care about people. I really do. Like we say around here, people are our greatest asset. I work long hours, and my work relationships are a big part of my social life. But between you and me, I've heard about enough about their personal lives, if you know what I mean. I agree, we do spend a lot of time with our coworkers, and listening is a critical skill for maintaining positive personal and professional relationships. Here are a couple of questions to consider. Are you most concerned with creating and maintaining positive relationships? Are you typically less judgmental about what others say? Do you tune in to others' feelings and moods and their ideas? Are you more interested in understanding and supporting people than evaluating them? If so, you may be a people-oriented listener. There are many benefits to having people-oriented listeners on your team. They demonstrate a strong concern for relationships and people. They help facilitate disclosure and promote a supportive communication climate. However, if you're always listening as a people-oriented listener, there can be a few drawbacks. You may become overly involved with others' feelings. You may lose a level of detachment or professional distance and the ability to assess the quality of the information in an effort to be congenial and supportive. Also, less personally oriented communicators can view you as overly expressive and even intrusive. When your relationship with a coworker needs attention, adopt a people-oriented approach. Keep in mind, you can boost your effectiveness by assessing the listening preferences of your conversational partners and adapting your style to them. Oh my, I think I very well may be a person-oriented listener. I'm afraid I do support ideas from people I like and with little thought concerning the value of the idea. For instance, I've sat here for years listening to you share your ideas without questions or concern. And wait a minute, I do enjoy our conversations, and I think the time we spend together is fascinating. Thank you for watching this video blog on listening. So the question was, am I a people-oriented listener? Hopefully so. Relationships are not a luxury, they are a necessity. Whichever style you use, it's important to recognize that you can control the way you listen and use the style that best suits the situation at hand. If your organization is suffering with miscommunication, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a fun, engaging, and informative presentation on effective listening skills. Check back to welchlin.com every Monday for a new video blog.